Hello guys and welcome back to another video on Login Helps. Today we're going to be teaching you how to update your Google Chrome, but before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out on any new videos by us. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, head on over to your Play Store application and make sure that your Google Chrome application on your mobile is up to date. For that, go ahead and tap on the profile icon on the top right corner of your screen. Now go ahead and tap on Manage Apps and Devices. Go to Manage section, select Updates Available. Now if you see Google Chrome under this, it means that your device does not consist of the latest version of Google Chrome, hence you must update it. Another way to find out if your Google Chrome is up to date or not is simply go back and on the search box type Google Chrome. Tap on Google Chrome, and now if you see an update button over here, it means that there's an update available for Google Chrome. Simply go ahead and tap on it. This should update your Google Chrome application. However, if you don't see it and if you see a similar interface to this, it means that your Google Chrome is already up to date and you do not require updating the application. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.